cure the Bieber fever. Dr. Bieber, Dr. Bieber, Dr. Bieber.
Bieber fever is spreading across the country. Wait, world, no universe. Bieber fever is spreading rapidly and is uncurable. I repeat, uncurable.
Dr. Bieber, Dr. Bieber, Dr. Bieber, Dr. Bieber, Dr. Bieber. Cure the fever, cure the fever, cure the fever, cure the Bieber fever. Dr. Bieber, Dr. Bieber, Dr. Bieber, Dr. Bieber. Cure the fever, cure the fever, cure the fever, cure the Bieber fever.
Yeah, I got a PhD. I don't need a fake ID. Yeah, you females know of me. I'm so sick with no IV. J to U to the S to the T. Bieber fever's in the streets. Time to realize I'm a beast. I'm a beast. I'm a beast. Say it 3 times 'cause I know it's right. Catch that virus in the night. I know it's uncurable, it's terrible, but it's alright. It is spread across the globe into every single home, every city, every country, every girl is on the phone.
Oh my gosh, I love him. Isn't he perfect?
You can be my queen, yeah, I'll show you how I work it. How I work it, how I work it, how I work it, how I work it. This is not a cold, not a flu, not a sickness. Baby, this is good and it doesn't hurt to get this. You were never cured and you'll never regret this. Yeah, my swag's up riding with Kenny in the Lexus.